Hello again, everybody. This is Joe the Lego Man here. Now, I know it's been a few days since I posted something. In those few days, what's been going on is we've gone to Costco, we've bought some shelving, we've had a few other personal issues to deal with, but now that all that's out of the way, I'm back to Legoland. Now, at Costco, if any of you watch our family channel, we will see, which is the J Fam, by the way, you will see we bought 6 of these metal shelvings. So 2 of the units are here. The other 4 are here. One is yet to be built, which will be the last one I actually get built. I got this one ready to go. And I got 2 others that I've used for personal stuff to kind of clean up this area in general. Now what I want to do with the remaining shelves is kind of clean this area up. Because this area here, it's basically a disaster at the moment. So I want to get into there, clean it up, get some of this overstock Lego I have up, organized, some of these other loose, like the trains, and maybe get this table cleared up somehow. And also, some of my older Lego. As you can see, these are sets from when I was a kid. We got some Ice Planet stuff, we got some original Star Wars stuff, a whole bunch of various sets in there that have been packed away for years, plus some other personal effects of mine that I've collected over the years over there. So I want to get in there, clean it up, get a couple shelves in there, and see if I could gain some space and not make it look like a unorganized mess. So my first plan, or first order of business, I should say, is I got to get this table out of the way. So I'll be getting that cleared. And then I can start to dig into there, get this all cleared out, and get a shelf into there. Oh boy. So the cleaning has begun. So I've gotten the table to here. I got some of my old Lego here, and anybody who's ever cleaned and organized, you know, when you clean and you organize, you end up going through your stuff, looking at your stuff, and blah, blah, blah. So a couple things I found. The War Machine Buster, set number 76124. Still in box, never opened. The other thing I found, from the Lego movie, Benny's Spaceship, set number 70816. Not opened. I also came across some of the original Lego that I ordered years and years ago. And the other cool thing I found is the original UCS X-Wing. So I bought this when it came out, and I think this is going to be put together in the near future. Now that I found it. Sweet. Well, we got one shelf in place, so it kind of opens up the area a bit. We still got some stuff to go through, but for the shelf we have in place, as you can see, this is all my old Lego there. So starting at the top, we have some of the classic Lego containers you used to be able to get. There's 2 different sizes. There is an old school city town folk. We got a set from the Lego Movie 2. We got Star Wars brickheads up here. Well, those here are a little bit newer, but you know. We got a few other Lego containers that we bought over the years. Now coming down to here, we have a couple old school city center construction sets. I have a Shell gas station and car wash. This one's a spaceport as part of the Ice Planet series. Coming down even further, we see some of the older Star Wars sets, like for example, the ATST set number 7127. We got this Sith Infiltrator here in the back. And we got the unopened Benny spaceship. This one here is the Pod Racer set. That's the Millennium Falcon. And moving on, we have the Old Fire HQ, set number 6478. This one here is part of the Alpha Team series. And here is another Alpha Team set. And even further down, some more Lego containers you were able to buy a long time ago. A couple more of my bigger bins I did not open, but as you can see, there's some more Episode 1's ATT battle tanks. And some more Ice Planet. And even down further, some older sets that I've taken apart. We got a police station in there. I don't even know what that one is. With some old base plates, blue, green, and gray. And on the final shelf, a few other sets and bits and pieces that I haven't got around to putting together. Some of the original brick from years and years ago, and a few more containers. And for the Ice Planet set, this is what it looks like when it's put together. Pretty neat, eh? So that'll do it for this video. So like, subscribe, drop a comment, share, and we'll see you on the next one.